Hey, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. So, stuff is about to get real. I haven't cleaned this stove in about 6 months, and so I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to clean the stovetop and the oven, and you get to see all my dirt and grime. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired?
Alright, so this is 6 months worth of dirt and grime on here. And look at this. Wow. Then the walls need to be washed too. From far away it looks clean. Look at this. Looks clean. Look at that. Yuck. And I'm even going to clean this. Actually, I got a new vent because that one is broken and not able to be washed. Alright, so I'm going to spray the stove on both sides to pre-treat it, just so when I go to wipe it off, it'll be kind of soaked. And this is what I'm using today, my method all-purpose. Oh yeah, and then show y'all the other side. Let me show you real quick. So here is the other side. Because I'm going to spray that and then wipe it off, and then I'm going to mop down there before I put the stove back in. Alright, so to wipe it up, I have just some old rags here that I use for cleaning.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit.
Okay, I'm gonna go and get some hot soapy water in this, just some hot dish soap water.
Your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby.
Soapy rag and just wipe off up here. I'll go ahead and take this thing off. I'm gonna throw this away.
Baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide.
Alright, so I'm gonna get started on this stovetop, and how I do that is I use my barkeeper's friend. And today I'm just gonna use my method all-purpose spray. So I'm going to spray it all over, mainly on the stained spots. Then I take my barkeeper's friend and I just sprinkle it all over the burnt caked on stuff. Since I have to scrub this by hand, I went and got me some disposable gloves. And I'm going to wear those so that the chemicals do not get on my hands. I'm going to get my steel wool here. And I'm going to start scrubbing this off as much as I can.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws.
I have my little razor blade and I'm just going to scrape that along to get all that off that didn't come off with the scouring pad.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without.
Alright. So now I'm just going to get a wet rag and start wiping all this off.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing. Bottles got me crashing. Don't you know?
Alright. That's all clean. Now I'm going to move on down to the oven. I already have the light on so that I can show you how it looks in here. So I'm going to use the barkeeper's friend and the soft cleanser inside of the oven.
Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high.
Alright, so back in the back I still have stuff that's stuck on. So I'm going to grab my razor blade here. Have at it.
DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill.
Alright. That is how it turned out on the inside. Now I'm going to get started on this door. And as you see, it's got a lot of baked on grease. So I'm going to bring in this barkeeper's friend again. And I'm just going to squirt some on there. Spread it out. My scouring pad. And scrub.
I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure.
Alright, so the inside is clean, but as you can see, in between the two panes of glass, like the inside and outside pieces, there's these lines that go down. And I believe that's just like cleaning solution from when I spray up at the top, and it goes down here and then it slides down. So I'm going to clean these little grates right here, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use a butter knife and I'm going to wrap it with a towel, a wet towel.
Drowning in ID. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for
That, and now I want to move on to the drawer. Actually, I just cleaned inside the drawer recently because I moved my cookie sheets and all that down there. So I'm just going to wipe off the outside today. This video is actually part one of a series of appliance cleaning. So if you would like to see those other videos, make sure you subscribe so that you get notified when I upload.
I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight.
I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.
For